Today was a bittersweet day. Today we said goodbye to Tyler, Texas. One foot wants to stay, the other needs to travel again. Let's go down that road. So we're ready to go? I know.
Yeah, but we have to go.
I know.
Our time's running out.
I know.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
So let's talk about what you did to get us ready here. You made sure the air pressure in the tires were good.
Tires are good.
Don't they look a lot better, everybody, with those? I don't know if you saw one of our past videos, but this got all cleaned up. Get some paint on the rusty spots. These were new. That just made it look so much nicer.
Hopefully they stay on when we go down the road.
Yeah, that'll be a true test. Everything's unhooked over here.
And our water connection and our sewer hose and all that stuff is all packed up. We are almost ready to go.
Just need to back up the truck and hook it up, huh?
Yeah. Weird. It's been a while.
I know, 4 months. Oh man.
Beginning of December 2020.
Yeah. Okay, well.
This has been fun.
The goodbyes were not.
No.
Well, they were and they weren't.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been 4 months since we've hooked this baby up. Got our deck in here.
We save marriages too. Would you like a hand picking up? You're doing good.
Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlene.
I'm Gary.
And we have been in Tyler, Texas for 4 months. Gary started serving a church here at a church vacancy back in early December. And we are now in April. And so we're just getting ready to leave. We wanted to stay till Easter. That was our plan. And Easter has come and gone. So we're on the road again. We didn't get very far. We only went about an hour and a half away to Nacogdoches, which is the oldest city in Texas, and we're going to do a separate video on that. Gary did a lot to get ready for us to leave.
Hit and miss through the past few weeks, trying to get at stuff that needed to be done, stuff I wanted to get done. Did a little bit of caulking on some of the spots that were cracked and yucky looking, which is always bad. If it looks yucky, you gotta put some fresh stuff on there.
So he scrapes it out first, and then he puts new stuff on. We don't want any water leaks.
You're right. Right. So that's taken care of. We checked the tires, made sure we had air in them after some loving threats from some of our neighbors to change that. So
our friends in Piney Ridge kept saying that, why do you keep talking about leaving? How are you going to leave when you don't have any tires on your RV? Or how are you going to leave without a hitch in the truck? And how are you?
So nothing fell off or broke down on the way here, so we did well.
Yeah. People kept asking us, why would they want to do that to you? And I said, because they love us.
So
yeah.
Had at least 3 goodbye sessions with our friends there.
At least.
A couple of goodbye sessions with our friends at church.
Yeah.
And it was sad to leave, but it's good to be on the road again. And well, we got on the road in good shape. New things to see.
Definitely. We have not revealed exactly what we're going to be doing, and there's still some plans that may be up in the air. But right now we are planning to go east. We have not been in Alabama, Georgia, Florida, or South Carolina before. We're going to try and get into those states just a little bit and then be back to Wisconsin by the very end of May. We have a grandson graduating from high school. We want to be back for that. I didn't get my shutters painted on. I had a very hard time finding the right paint to do that. I'm still looking for that. But the weather wasn't real cooperative either. It seemed like, you want to have at least, a few days of no rain. And we just didn't have that. There's a reason that the
That's easy for you to say.
There's a reason that the piney woods region in Texas is so lush. It's because they get more rain than a lot of other parts of Texas. That was one drawback, but now this week it's going to be really nice when we're gone. Anyway, it was time to leave. We have a lot of things, a lot of ground to cover and a lot of things to do. Stay tuned for what's coming. We want to thank everybody at Piney Ridge RV. Big shout out to all of you. We just really are just so blessed that you came into our lives and that we were placed there. Of all the RV parks we could have maybe been at, God knew exactly which one to put us in. That was awesome. And then the church members, very sweet, very kind, warm. I mean, it has been a wonderful last 4 months. And then to go through Snowgeddon together, that was really an experience too.
That one we don't want to repeat.
We do not want to repeat the snow part, no.
Yeah, and when we come back, I'm not going to be a vacancy pastor at Tyler
Yeah, everybody was
Yeah.
asking us when we're coming
No.
back, and we don't know. It all depends
Yeah.
on when the borders in Canada and United States open. As soon as we can get in there without a huge hassle and a lot of financial burden, we will go up there and see our family there. But until then, we're just going to explore and see what other things we can see while we can. Be watching for all the adventures we're going to be on. If you are new to our channel, you maybe don't know, but we usually try to do a lot of free things, and we try to camp free as much as possible too. So be watching for what we're going to be showing you up ahead. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. Next to it, a little bell is going to pop up. Ring the bell, click on all, and you'll be notified every time new videos come up. Comment below anything, any questions you may have for us or whatever. Just please leave those comments down below. And until next time,
God bless.